Hello everybody, I am Asaduzaman Viswas. Today I came again to discuss something about your JavaScript mouse event. So today I like to discuss about the event on focus, on blur, and about on change event, right? Okay, so let us discuss this event with examples. So what I'll do, I will start this script tag. Okay, and the language is our JavaScript. Great. This is the beginning of a script and this is the end of a script. Before writing anything about that event, we will make a form. And that form will contain your suppose text box. We can write down a label here. Okay, the label. Okay, what should we write here? We can write here suppose name or enter name. Okay, enter your name, something like this, and then we can write here a text box. So input type equal to text and give it a name. Suppose name is also name. Give it a ID. ID is also name. Okay, this is the end of text box. Now let us take a label. Here we can write select language. Okay, fine. So here we can make a drop down box. So we'll write here select, give it a name, give it a name. Okay, what is its name? Suppose its name is lang. Also give its ID. ID is also your lang, right? Okay, this is the starting of select and this is the end of select. Now let us give few options. Okay, value whatever the value we will give here will be passed to the browser when this option is selected, right? So here we can write down Bangla. Okay, now let us create other options. So we will copy it and paste it, and the second one is English. So we'll write here English. Okay, fine. This one is Spanish. So we'll write here Spanish. And this one is French. Okay, so we'll write here French. Fine. Now look, I like to add here an event that is on focus. That means when this event will occur, at that time when then this function will be called. Okay, so let us define the function. So what we write here, function, then name of that function is xyz, starting of function, and this is the end of function. So inside this function, what we can do, let us give this form a name. Name of this form is FRM. So what we can write here, we can write on document, means on this page there is a form named FRM. Inside this form there is a text box that's name is name dot value equal to we should write something. Enter name, right? Let me say what is onfocus. When we click inside the text box, that event is known as onfocus, right? So look, if we go to output now, if we go to output, let us save it. Okay, so give it a name, whatever you like. Okay, now go to output. Look, if I click on the text box, ready, 1 2 3, what I am getting when I click inside the text box, I am getting this text, enter name, right? Now what is your, we learned about onfocus. Now question it is, what is your onblur? Onblur, right? Okay, so onblur means when we will take the cursor from that when the cursor of the text box will be removed, or if we take the cursor from text box to anywhere else, that event is known as onblur, right? So suppose when this event will occur, then this method function will be called. Okay, now let us define this function. The name of this function is ABC. What we can say here, sorry, this is the starting of function and this is the end of function. So what will happen on document means, on this page there is a form named as FRM, and in that form there is a text box named as name dot value equal to, suppose, blank. That means there will be nothing inside the text box, right? So let us save it and go to output. Look, I will now click inside the text box. So ready, 1 2 3, what I am getting, enter name. Now I will click outside the text box to remove the cursor from the text box, and that event is known as onblur. And when this event will occur, then the text box will become blank. Ready, 1 2 3, look, when I click outside the text box, there is no cursor now inside the text box, and the text what was inside the text box is removed, right? So this is your onblur event. Now comes your onchange. Okay, so let us write down here onchange. When this event will occur, at that time one function will be called. Let us name this function as cd. Okay, fine. Now let us define the function here. Function that's name is cd. This is the starting of function and this is the end of function. So what we can do here, document means inside this page there is a form named as FRM, and inside that form there is a drop down box. Its name is length and its value, right? Its value. So we will take its value inside a variable. Suppose the name of the variable is SL. Now we will show it on alert box what is inside SL. So write down alert, inside it write down SL. Okay, now let us save. Okay, great. Go to output. If we check, we are getting the option value of the drop down box. I selected here English, so I get on the alert box English. If I select here Spanish, I'm getting here Spanish, because here the value of Spanish is Spanish. That's why I got it on the alert box. This is your onChange event. So today After this, I will come in my next tutorial with a few more discussions about the events of JavaScript. So for today, goodbye everybody. Goodbye.